how to share your Wi-Fi password on Android. This tutorial shows you how to share your Wi-Fi connection with someone else on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, tap on Connections. From there, tap on Wi-Fi to open the Wi-Fi settings. At this point, tap on the network you're currently connected to. In the next step, tap on QR code to generate a shareable QR code for your Wi-Fi network. Following this, show the QR code to the person you want to share your Wi-Fi with. Once done, they can open their camera app and point it at the QR code to scan it. Finally, once scanned, they will be automatically connected to your Wi-Fi without needing to type in the password manually. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you share your Wi-Fi password, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.